Welcome to the jungle, baby. You guys want to see something awesome? Come with me. Right now, we are inside of the butterfly place in Western Massachusetts. And I know you can't feel the temperature on your side of the screen, but it's like 80+ degrees in here and I'm sweating like crazy. It's literally like a jungle. We've got all of these gorgeous tropical plants, impatiens everywhere, flowers, hundreds and hundreds of butterflies and moths. Check this guy out right here. All different species. This is super cool. There are quail, newly born baby quail. There's finch, all sorts of stuff to see here. But the reason I'm here today is to give you a tour of the awesome koi pond we built this winter. I know you can hear it in the background, but wait till you see it. So it's a world of a difference from when we finished this project in January. When we were done, there was barely any vegetation inside the atrium and there are no butterflies. We are in the middle of May right now and this place has already changed so much. The plants, the flowers, hundreds of different butterflies, it's nuts and it's only gonna keep maturing. All the plants in here are practically new. When they redid the roof this winter, all the freezing temperatures came in and killed all the plants they had, so they basically had to start over from scratch. There was very few left over that survived that. And these plants here are super young and just starting out. By the end of the summer, it's gonna be nuts in here. And then every year it's gonna get better and better. All of the ground cover that we planted, all of the moss that we've transplanted is going crazy. The moss is finding a new home, migrating all over the place. So we planted a bunch of different variety of moss in here. We had a lot of fun with it, but you can see it's already spreading. By the end of the year, I wouldn't be surprised if this moss reaches the top of the rock, and in a couple of years, there's gonna be moss all over the place. I'm super excited to watch this one mature. This is just so cool. These creeping Jenny, one of my favorite ground covers. They are absolutely loving life in here. Look at how it's growing towards the water. We planted it right in this pocket here, hoping some of it would go between the cracks of the rocks, which it will with time, but it senses the water on this side, and that's where the majority of it is growing. We just did maintenance on this feature. There was a little bit of string algae forming. You gotta remember, guys, we're in New England, but this is a tropical climate in here, and this pond doesn't go to sleep for the winter. Things are gonna react different in here than they would in your backyard. So they're finding a balance. The ecosystem is still developing. This is a brand new pond, so everything's still establishing. All those microorganisms and beneficial bacteria are still colonizing. It's our job to come in and manually remove algae if necessary, add treatments here and there, help this ecosystem establish itself and really take over and thrive and balance itself out. So the water is a little bit murky because we did that, but it's already clearing up. You can see the koi hanging down in the bottom of the pond. The moss on this rock, we call it Moss Island. It's even got a tree growing in it now or something. That's amazing. The lilies got pads like crazy. You already have blooms happening. You can see a couple that are gonna open up in the next day or two. The ground cover over here is going crazy. It's absolutely amazing. So guys, that ends my tour with you today. If you're local, or if this is within means, come check it out, come visit, experience the butterflies, bring your family, bring your kids, and come check this place out, not just for this really awesome water feature, but the entire facility is amazing and the staff is world-class. This is one of the first 4 butterfly habitats in the United States of America, and it is amazing. You have to check it out. Make sure when you come, you scan the QR code before you leave. We change it with the seasons. This one's for Mother's Day. We got some awesome deals for all you moms. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. But I'm out of here. It's hot.